Here we are going to solve 8 times 9 times 10 times 11 times 12 equals what? So what are we going to do is just convert all in terms of the base 10. So let's see, what is 8 in terms of 10? That is 10 minus 2 times you have 9 as 10 minus 1, and this is 10, so I'm going to keep it. Then 11 can be 10 plus 1, and 12 is 10 plus 2. Now what are we going to do is let 10 is equal to x. X is equal to 10. So here we're going to substitute x in place of 10. So we have x minus 2 times x minus 1 times x, and then x plus 1 and x plus 2. The easiest way to solve the problem. So let's do it. Now just rearrange the terms. X, I'm going to keep it here. Then I have x minus 2 and x plus 2. Then I have x minus 1 and then x plus 1. Now if you see, this is an identity, a plus b times a minus b, and this as well. So that's a square minus b square. So x times x square minus 2 square, and this is x square minus 1 square. Now what are we going to get? X times x square minus 4, and this is x square minus 1. Let's multiply them together using the FOIL method. We have x, then we have x square times x square, x to the power of 4, x square minus 1 minus x squared, minus 4 times x squared minus 4x squared, and then minus 4 minus 1 is plus 4. Let's see, we can just add them up. X times x to the power of 4 minus 5x squared plus 4. So we've got a equation here, and as we already know that x is equal to 10, yes, so let's put it back. 10, then 10 to the power of 4 minus 5 times 10 squared plus 4. Now 10 times, this is 1 0 0 0 0, minus 10 square is 100, so 100 times 5 is 500 plus 4, and that's so easy to calculate. You have this, let's add them up. 0 0 0 4 minus 500, so you have 10,004 minus 500. How much is 10,004 minus 500? Just subtract. So you have 9,504 times 10 will give you 95,040, and that's your answer.